What is up, guys? Welcome to my first, I guess you could call, motovlog that I'll be doing. Not really motovlog since I'm not really on the bike, but I'm going to attempt to do a little how-to, or how I do it, install. I'm going to be swapping out my rear sets for some Vortex GP shift because I've seen some people do it the sketchy way of kind of just flipping this around, but then it gets too close to this hose right here, and I'm not about that. I don't want to do anything sketchy. I want to do it the right way. But basically, I'm trying to go to the track more often, learn better, and I've noticed that to get a little faster, it's easier to shift up, but essentially down to go quicker. So obviously, we're gonna get new rear sets on the right hand side as well. I'm not really sure how I'm doing this. I'm just kind of gonna wing it. Besides a little grip tank here and some new hand grips, that's basically all I've done to it. So it's gonna be a fun little project. I've got a quick shifter coming in soon as well that I'll be installing. So here I got the Vortex adjustable rear set, and basically got this guy, which looks like this guy here. I don't know how well this is gonna film, but basically I think this part is gonna go here, and it's not gonna be, the sketchy way. Got some cool stickers. Yeah, this is the left side with the rod. This is the right side for the rear brake and all that good stuff. And it looks like some instructions and learn how to put it together. And I'm trying to think of the way that people do this. Clips, like that's one clip. Alright, so we figured this part out, got it all together. I'm going to come out here so you can kind of see what it looks like a little bit. Got the nice Vortex on it. And basically, it's going to swap just like that. Alright, so it might be a little hard to see. Got the new Vortex rear set on there. And one thing I noticed and figured out, called a buddy, this little cable here that runs inside is actually for the rear brake light. It's really, it's in the way because it falls in like behind here. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking it out. There's a little bolt that goes right there, and it has a clamp, if I can find it. It's a little clamp that goes in there that basically is holding that wire together. What I'm doing is I'm just throwing it back there, right inside, getting it out of the way, and which allowed me to actually kind of get this bolted in there and figure out from here on out. Look this tank off because that's where that cable runs, and then just unhook it. Realistically, don't use the rear brake a lot, so I'm not really too worried about that rear brake light. I still got the front. So, all right, let's get back to it. See what brings up. I was able to get this bolt in, and then I've got the 2 bolts here that go to the cylinder, and all I have left is to basically connect the rear brake lever to the cylinder there. The part did come with this piece right here, although honestly I'm not sure where it's supposed to go. Instructions say something about behind the shield somewhere, but I can't really figure it out, and I don't see it coming into play anywhere on there. So if I do find that out, might have to take something apart, and that'll let you guys know. So here's the finished right piece. I've got it a little bit higher up in the setting. The heat shield was, or at least the plastic piece here, was a little funky, so I kind of just stuffed it in there, connected it up top, and then just kind of put the other piece behind. Besides that, really solid, looks sick, and I'm gonna go ahead and start on the other side here, on the left side, and then get the GP shift in there. I might not put the actual ride that comes with it because I've got a quick shifter coming in, and I believe I have to use that rod for it, but I will start assembling the other side. Finished the left piece here. It was a little complicated, somewhat. I had to use some pictures of what it looked like on the website to kind of tie it together because the instructions, they weren't that great. All I have left is to connect this piece here, which is essentially the piece that goes right there for the rod. Of course, got to take this off first, so I'm going to go ahead and start doing that. Got the Vortex hooked up to those 2 on the left there, and I've got the rod going all the way up top. The old part right here, the old shifter, went in to that bolt right there. You guys see that's open, so it's completely different configuration, and honestly I think it looks pretty sick. But I want to tighten things up a little bit, and then basically I'm going to throw it in the gear and see if it works. Vortex installation is now done. I'm trying to use my light here to give you guys a better view. There's a rod. I haven't turned it on and tested it, but I did go through the gears and it went properly. We'll be doing a little review on it, some adjustments to do. Gotta get the quick shifter on first. Once you get that, I'll review both the Vortex and the IRC quick shifter. Thank you guys for tuning in and checking it out. Probably wasn't too much of an installation how-to type of deal, but I'll gladly help out you guys, whoever have questions on it. I was kind of winging it, and I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty hard to film and do things at the same time. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and definitely we'll do a little motovlog on the IRC kit quick shifter once I get that done. Thanks for watching, guys.